Hi, welcome to video number 2. Today we are going to learn how to put the flute together as well as producing a sound with the instrument assembled. Before we begin, let's try and make a sound through the head joint once more. Go ahead and open your flute case on a flat surface and remove the head joint from the case. Place the fat side on your lip. Take a big breath and produce a sound. Good job. All right. Next, what we're going to do, since we have our head joint out and ready, we are going to remove the middle joint or the body from our case. Make sure that when you are removing these pieces from the case that you are not grabbing onto the keys. You want to make sure that you are holding onto the top or to the bottom of the instrument. What we are going to do is take our head joint and insert it at the top of the body. You will notice that on the top there is this large section. This is where you want the head joint to go into. Make sure that you are not putting it on this side. This is where the foot joint will go. So we will take our head joint and we will gently twist it into place. We want to make sure that our tone hole is in line with this first key. So we are going to squint until you see that the head joint is in line with this first key. Once you have the head joint in line with the body, you are going to go ahead and take the foot joint out of your case. Again, make sure that you are not pressing down on the keys. What we are now going to do is slightly twist the foot joint onto the body. You are going to want to make sure that the top of the key here is in line with this last key on the body. So you can twist it until that is in line. Adjustments can also be made based on the size of your fingers and comfort levels. Those who have longer fingers may want the foot joint to be slightly rolled outwards. Those who have shorter fingers may want it slightly rolled back towards you. Find what is comfortable for you. Now, what we are going to do is place our fingers. There is a specific way that our fingers must lay on the flute. We will walk you through one by one. So take your left hand and bring it towards the front of the instrument. Your index is going to go on the second key right here. Your middle finger will go on this key. Make sure that you are skipping a key in the middle. Your fourth finger will go on the key closest to this little rounded key, and that is exactly where your pinky will lay. Your thumb will lay on this back thumb key right here. Okay, so our first hand, you'll see our thumb goes on this key, our index on the second key, skip a key, go to the third, fourth, and our pinky lays on this little swerved key. Our left hand is going to start by the third key on the left, okay? So our index goes on the third last key, and our 2 other fingers will follow. Our thumb with our right hand does not need to press a key, therefore it can simply rest on the flute and work as support of holding the instrument. Our pinky is then going to lay on this first key of the foot joint here. Remember, adjustments can be made based on the size of your hands and your fingers and what is comfortable for you. What we are now going to do is bring our arms up to position. It is really important that when you are sitting on the chair, that your right arm does not rest on the back of the chair. You want the support to come from your shoulders. Make sure that they are also not up to your ears like this. You want them rested and strong. You want your left hand to come out a little bit from your body, and your right arm will lay parallel to your shoulder, just like this. So we are now going to bring the instrument back to our lip, just like we practiced with the head joint, and we are going to try and produce a sound. So remember to bring it up to your lip, the fat side on your lip, that you are not puckering your lips on the side or in the middle. And you are bringing it together, taking a big breath through your diaphragm. And exhaling outwards in front of you. Now you try. Make sure that your fingering is neatly aligned and placed on the keys. You can try a sound with your fingers in this position or without your fingers pressing down on the keys. If you are having trouble to make a sound with the instrument assembled, go back to the mirror and find the position with your tone hole and your lips that is suitable and comfortable for you. Make sure that if you are feeling dizzy throughout this process, that you take a break and drink some water. Keep practicing, using the mirror as a reference, and you will be well on your way to producing a sound with the flute. We'll see you next time for video 3.